to all the other news from Planet Auto.
It looks like there's going to be more disappointment for Indian racing fans after next year's F1 race at the Bhuj circuit got cancelled. It's now the final round of this year's World Superbike Championship that was supposed to be held on the 17th of November will also be dropped. The official reason, according to the FIM, it's quote-unquote operational challenges. And here's the worst news: no race is to be held in 2014 either. So what exactly do operational challenges mean? It could mean that marshals and stewards are not really ready to host an event of this magnitude, considering that the BIC has never hosted a two-wheeled event before, and with a few fatal accidents happening on the tracks in the past couple of years, chances were not to be taken. But perhaps the bigger issue was the red tape and budgetary concerns from the F1 race, and if the Formula One juggernaut couldn't deal with it, a smaller event like WSBK would not have stood a chance. It's been coming soon for a while, and finally here it is, a trailer of the production version of the Mercedes GLA. The 3-point stars direct assault at the Audi Q3 and the BMW X1. This pocket-sized SUV will make its official debut at the Frankfurt Motor Show to be held next month. Considering that this is a Mercedes, you have more engine option than Sonam Kapoor has shoes, which means a 1.6 and a 2-litre petrol engine and a 2.2-litre diesel, which again has two states of tune, 136 bhp and 170. Now this is a very swanky looking car, maybe even the best looking of the bunch, and the interiors are carried over from the A-Class, which is a good idea considering how funky fresh the A-Class interiors were. The GLA is due in India next year and we'll be waiting.